Enterprise portfolios are a defined hierarchical structure of an organization's services and applications, which are created within the DPM Workspace using the Enterprise Portfolio Builder. We start by going to Workspaces and Digital Portfolio Management. Select the Enterprise Portfolios module and create Enterprise Portfolio. Then we choose a portfolio type and select Create Service Portfolio. Templates are only available for service portfolios. We can either create a portfolio from scratch or use any of the portfolio templates. The templates include enterprise taxonomy nodes with child nodes, placeholder names, and descriptions. The sample organizational structure template provides guidance on how to use your organizational chart to organize business-to-business IT services. The IT Service Portfolio template provides a way to manage both the strategic and operational aspects of technology within an organization. The EDUCAUSE Higher Education IT Service Portfolio template is designed to organize and describe IT services specifically for higher education institutions. We'll select this template. We can select a way to use the template, either apply everything from the template or exclude services. We'll select Apply Everything and Use Template. We received a message confirming that the service portfolio has been loaded successfully and saved. Let's walk through the process of editing a portfolio and adding services in the editor experience. In this case, we'll add a KPI group. Select My Performance Group from the drop-down and click Save. We go to the Teaching and Learning Taxonomy node and select Assessment Systems and Learning Analytics, and then click Edit Service to continue. In the Edit Service section, we need to edit the following fields: Owned by and Delivery Manager, and select Update to save the changes. We go back to the Teaching and Learning Taxonomy node section to continue adding services. We select Add Service and Create New to create a service called GradeScope, and edit the Owned by, Delivery Manager, and Description fields. Let's explore the IT Service Portfolio template and how to modify the taxonomy node structure. We select the IT Service Portfolio template and Use Template. In the Edit Service Portfolio page, select Add Taxonomy Node. For Create New Taxonomy node, we fill out the fields for Name, Owned by, and Description. Select Save to continue. The Taxonomy node for Retired Services has been created. In the section for Edit Service Portfolio, we can also modify the structure by using the drag and drop feature. Create and edit your own service portfolios using Enterprise Portfolio Builder. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.